Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Norelco shaver heads is probably one of the most important factors determining the quality of your shave, and choosing the right replacement heads can significantly impact your daily grooming routine. This video will delve into the world of Norelco shaver heads, exploring different models, their features, and how to select the perfect match for your skin type and shaving preferences, ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and efficient shave every time. Number 5. RF RollingFit SH30 Replacement Blades. Upgrade your shaving experience with these replacement blades. They're designed for a smooth, comfortable shave every time. The round head design ensures you get every hair, gently and effectively. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a clean shave. These blades work seamlessly with various Philips Norelco shaver series, including 1000, 2000, 3000, and more. Check the compatibility list to see if they fit your shaver. Enjoy premium shaving performance without the premium price tag. They're a high-quality, cost-effective alternative to original blades. Replacing your old blades is quick and easy. Watch our helpful installation video for step-by-step guidance. You'll be shaving with ease in no time. Each pack contains 6 replacement blades, providing long-lasting use. It is recommended to replace them every 3 to 6 months for optimal results. What we like. It's a 6-pack of replacement heads, perfect for those who shave frequently. This is a great value option if you're on a budget. If you need a simple, affordable replacement, this is it. What people say. Just put them in and used video instructions for help. That was very helpful and worked successfully. I got my first shave today with them and it was a good one. What a difference that made. The good thing is that you don't have to get your face as wet or use as much shaving cream. You can actually use half of the shaving cream that you're used to and it will give you a good comfortable shave. My Norelco triple header razor replacement heads are extremely easy to replace. My razor is around 30 years old and still works as it did brand new. Number 4. Philips Norelco SH5052 Heads. Experience a superior shave with these replacement shaving heads. They're designed for peak performance and a smooth, close shave every time. These heads feature multi-precision blades for a truly close shave. They effortlessly glide across your skin, capturing even the shortest hairs. Enjoy a consistently sharp shave. It features self-sharpening blades, so you always get a clean cut. For optimal shaving performance, it's recommended to replace them every 12 months. But you'll enjoy consistent results until then. They are compatible with various Philips Norelco shaver series, including the 5000 and 6000. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Keep your shaver clean and hygienic. Use Philips Norelco Cleaning Spray HQ8 for best results. Replacement is simple and quick. The package includes 3 replacement shaving heads. Everything you need for a consistently smooth shave. What we like. These heads boast a self-sharpening feature, meaning they'll stay sharp for longer. You get powerful performance and long-lasting sharpness. If you prioritize performance and longevity, this is the choice for you. What people say. These fit my shaver from over 10 years ago perfectly. I've gone through multiple types of shavers over the years, safety, electric, etc., but I have come back to this electric shaver multiple times. These replacements fit perfect and the shave is nice too as it cuts with much less irritation than my old dull blades. It takes about 90 seconds to do a full replacement with the simple locking mechanisms. So it's nice and easy. This is an upgraded design from the original set of lift and cut inserts and they cut more smoothly than the previous design. They work great. The genuine Philips Norelco's heads are designed for the shaver with the straight edge lines facing outward and the holes with straight edges facing toward the center of the shaver. The 3 heads together form the shaving circle pattern that is effective in giving a good shave. Number 3. Philips Norelco SH7152 Shaving Heads. Upgrade your shaving experience with the genuine Philips Norelco SH7152 Shaving Heads. They're designed for a close, comfortable shave, bringing your shaver back to peak performance. Over time, your shaver heads wear down. These replacements restore that smooth, efficient shave you love. It boasts up to 90,000 cutting actions per minute. Experience a shave that's both close and comfortable. These Skin Protect shaving heads are made in the Netherlands with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and performance. Replace your old heads and get back to 100% shaving performance. It's recommended to replace them every 12 months for optimal results. They are compatible with Series 7000 and Angular Series 5000 shavers. Check the back of your shaver handle to confirm compatibility. This pack includes 3 brand new shaving heads, ready to revitalize your shaving routine. What we like. These are genuine Philips replacement heads, ensuring quality and compatibility. The Skin Protect technology provides a comfortable shave. If you want the best shave possible and prefer genuine parts, choose these. What people say. No skin irritation, good shave time, ease of cleaning. The blades will work on my electric razor and are a quality product. Such a nice, comfortable smooth shave with new blades. Number 2. HQ8 Replacement Heads. Upgrade your shaving experience with these replacement heads. They're designed to perfectly fit the contours of your face for a comfortable shave. These heads feature a low-friction tip that conforms to your face's curves, preventing skin irritation. Enjoy a smooth, close shave every time. It works with a wide range of shavers, including HQ8, at 810, at 830, at 850, and many more. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits yours. The arched edge design ensures these heads glide smoothly across your skin. Experience a comfortable and close shave without any tugging or pulling. After installation, add a drop of baby oil to each head and run your shaver for 10 seconds. This simple step ensures smooth operation. For best results, replace these heads every 6 months. This will keep your shaver performing at its peak. The package includes 3 new upgraded blades and a cleaning brush. Everything you need for a superior shave. What we like. These heads are designed to perfectly fit the curves of your face, providing a smooth, comfortable shave. The low-friction design minimizes skin irritation. If you value comfort and a close shave without irritation, this is your best bet. What people say. They work well as described. They fit as advertised in my 10-year-old shaver. Easy to replace, liked price, very good quality for my rotary razor. Shipped quick and packaged well. Number 1. HQ8 Replacement Heads for Philips Norelco. Upgrade your shaving experience with these replacement heads. They're designed to perfectly contour to your face for a comfortable, close shave. These heads feature a low-friction tip that glides smoothly across your skin, preventing irritation and damage. Enjoy a gentle yet effective shave every time. It works with a wide range of Philips Norelco shaver models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Experience a 360-degree shave with no dead ends. They remove your beard gently, painlessly, and cleanly, leaving your skin feeling smooth. For optimal performance, add a drop of baby oil to each head after installation and run your shaver for 10 seconds. Replace them every 12 months for best results. This pack includes 3 replacement heads and a cleaning brush, everything you need for a consistently smooth shave. What we like. These heads are designed to perfectly fit the curves of your face, providing a smooth, comfortable shave. The low-friction design minimizes skin irritation. If you value comfort and a close shave without irritation, this is your best bet. What people say. He said it glides like silk over his beard. It was easier than I thought. My shaver should last another 10 years. They give a close, comfortable shave without pulling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.